All right, so to schedule a post on WordPress, on the post page where you're creating your post, where you see the publish button, you're going to hit that, and it's going to take you through different checks. I'm going to take that off. I have mine automatically tweeting and sending a message to Tumblr. Just scroll back to the top. Publish here is where you can just change it. So I'm going to make this post on June 25th, and I have my video for it posting at 2 o'clock. So I'm going to make this go for 2:30 p.m. And then you'll see at the top there it says schedule instead of post, and you can just hit the schedule button and you're good to go. Your post is scheduled and it'll post at that time there. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm more than happy to help. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and we'll see you next time on Brian's Lone Artist.